Welcome back. Okay, let's dive right into this explainer and close out our series by looking at a model that solves a massive problem that the other major US and Chinese models simply cannot. We've spent time looking at powerhouses from OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and the rest. But Mistral AI, headquartered right in Paris, is arguably the most important AI company that most developers outside of Europe haven't seriously evaluated yet. They're bringing something completely different to the table, and honestly, it is reshaping the entire enterprise landscape.
So let me ask you a question. Where exactly does your enterprise data actually go when you use AI? Because when a regulated European institution asks that question about other models, the answer is almost always a complicated legal headache. Imagine you're running a financial institution, a government department, or a healthcare network. The second you send your sensitive data to hosted APIs in the US or China, you trigger an absolute avalanche of compliance checks. You're suddenly bogged down in transatlantic transfer reviews, US Cloud Act jurisdiction, or Chinese sovereignty laws. It's a huge roadblock for actually deploying enterprise AI.
But with Mistral, the difference is literally night and day. While competitors force you into those complex transatlantic transfer reviews, Mistral processes your data in Paris by default, completely eliminating that massive compliance overhead. There's no separate legal basis required, no privacy shield successor to validate. For your legal team, a process that used to take weeks of drafting data processing agreements is suddenly structurally simple. It's just a completely GDPR-native solution right out of the box. So here's our roadmap for understanding this sovereign intelligence powerhouse. We're going to cover the AI compliance trap, the Mistral model ecosystem, the European data advantage, benchmarks and pricing, real-world use cases, and finally, the limitations and our verdict.
All right, starting with Section 1, the AI compliance trap and the hidden legal overhead of dominant models.
Just look at this momentum for a second. We're talking about a massive $13.8 billion valuation and $400 million in ARR as of early 2026. This proves they aren't just a niche compliance tool, they are a top-tier global player moving at lightning speed. I mean, they launched 6 products in just 15 days in March 2026 alone. That is wild. This is one of the fastest-moving AI labs on Earth, and they're doing it all while shipping every major model under the open-weight Apache 2.0 license.
Moving right along to Section 2, the Mistral model ecosystem. Let's take a look at those 6 product launches from March 2026.
So, their whole ecosystem really revolves around 3 core tiers, tailored for specific workloads. You've got the flagship, Large 3, built for complex reasoning. It boasts a 256K context window, which makes it the absolute strongest open-weight model out there for heavy legal analysis. Then, Medium 3 is your daily workhorse, operating at just a fraction of the cost of those closed US models. And Small 4, it's literally 5 times cheaper than GPT 5.4 Mini on input tokens, making it the go-to recommendation for most high-efficiency enterprise apps today.
But wait, beyond those core models, Mistral offers some incredibly specialized tools. Take Voxtral, for instance. It handles 9-language voice cloning from just 3 seconds of audio with a blistering 70-millisecond latency. It's incredible. Meanwhile, Leanstral is the only open-source AI agent designed specifically for strict, machine-checkable mathematical proofs, perfect for domains like aerospace or cryptography, where a single bug is an absolute disaster. Toss in CodeStral for dedicated coding and Forge for fine-tuning on your own infrastructure, and you've got a totally comprehensive toolkit.
Let's jump into Section 3, the European data advantage, and why geography is actually Mistral's secret weapon.
If you're a financial institution, government body, or a healthcare organization operating under GDPR, bypassing those transatlantic data transfer reviews is very often the deciding factor when picking a vendor. The rule is super simple, right? If you process data from EU residents, you must comply. Mistral guarantees your data never leaves the EU. And better yet, because their major models are available for self-hosting, your data literally doesn't even have to leave your own enterprise server room. Talk about peace of mind.
Okay, let's talk numbers. Section 4, benchmarks and pricing, where high performance meets disruptive economics.
You guys, the economics here are simply impossible to ignore. Mistral Large 3 delivers open-weight frontier reasoning at roughly 20% of the output cost of Claude Opus. You're looking at $6 for Mistral Large 3, compared to $25 for Claude Opus 4.7 and a steep $30 for GPT 5.5. Even if you step down to Mistral Medium 3, you're getting near Claude Sonnet performance at roughly 8% of Claude Opus output cost.
The math here is an absolute game changer for cost-conscious enterprises.
Now, are they the absolute number one on every single benchmark? Well, no, but they deliver incredibly fast, highly capable reasoning that closely contests the major US models on real-world tasks. Large 3 scores a massive 93.6% on advanced mathematics. Medium 3 performs at or above 90% of Claude Sonnet 3.7. And Small 4, it blasts out 137.3 tokens per second, completely crushing the category median of 79.1. It's a speed and intelligence combination that makes high-frequency enterprise workloads incredibly viable.
Which brings us to Section 5, Real-World Enterprise Use Cases. Here are 6 scenarios where Mistral is the strategic choice.
So where does this actually shine? These models hit some undeniable sweet spots. We're talking native GDPR compliance and unparalleled Western European language quality right out of the box. They allow for simple on-premise setups for air-gap defense or healthcare networks and let you scale classification tasks at a staggering 12 times cheaper than GPT-5. Beyond that, you can seamlessly leverage Leanstraw for strict code verification or drop in Voxtral to build localized European voice assistants for a fraction of what competitors charge.
Finally, Section 6, Limitations and Final Verdict. Let's look at the honest trade-offs and who should actually use what.
To be totally objective here, Mistral isn't magic. It has limitations. If you need a multi-million token context window or an agent that physically clicks around a desktop GUI, Mistral's not your choice right now. Mistral Large 3 is capped at 256K context. So if you need to ingest a multi-year financial filing in a single pass, models like Gemini 3.1 Pro or Llama 4 Scout with their massive contexts are better fits. Similarly, Mistral doesn't yet support the kind of desktop computer use agents that Claude Opus or GPT 5.5 do.
So how do you actually choose the right model? Here's your cheat sheet. If you're an EU-regulated entity needing complex reasoning, choose Large 3. Want on-premise deployment on a tight 4 GPU setup? Grab Medium 3. For high-volume extraction at a huge discount, Small 4 is the absolute winner. Use Voxtral for your language apps, and definitely lean on Leanstraw when your code simply cannot have bugs.
Now, if you're looking to actually build and deploy this stuff confidently, especially within strict compliance environments like DORA or the EU AI Act, you're going to want to explore some Uplatz courses. Understanding how to build production AI on open-weight models is an absolutely crucial professional skill today. Programs like AI in Finance, Agentic AI Fundamentals, and Python for Data Analysis will give you the technical foundation to deploy these concepts responsibly and effectively.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on for your own deployments. When it comes to enterprise AI, is hitting the absolute frontier worth the regulatory risk? Mistral AI gives you 12 times cheaper inference on small tasks, the flexibility of open-weight Apache 2.0, and absolute GDPR peace of mind. No compliance ambiguity, no legal headaches, just sheer sovereign intelligence. Think about how that fits into your stack. And as always, keep learning.